Let's talk about this electric vacuum suction diamond painting pen. If you've ever done diamond painting, you know they usually come with these little like wax squares, and you use the pen, you dip it in the wax square, and then you use that little bit of wax to adhere the little diamond to the pen and then move it over to your diamond painting, which works sometimes. It can also be a pain. This vacuum pen is so cool. It solves all of those problems. You don't need any wax, you don't need any like sticky stuff. All you do is turn it on and you can actually vacuum up the little gems and then move them over to your diamond painting. I actually got this for my daughter, who is almost 8. She loves to do the diamond painting. It can get really frustrated with being able to move the gems around because it's not always the easiest. This vacuum pen does such a great job and it makes it so much easier for her. I love that it's quiet. It's really self-contained. You get everything you need in the bag. You get this really cute rainbow pin. It actually has 2 tips. There's a straight tip, and then on the other end is the like bent elbow tip, and you just attach the suction hose to whichever end you're not using, and that's how it gets the suction. It is got this USB cord here and then the little power remote. All you have to do is plug it in and it is basically good to go. It's really quiet, it's easy to use, and let me show you how well it works. So you can hear just how quiet this is. It is nice because it's not at all like disruptive to the actual diamond painting, which I think is really relaxing. And it just makes everything go a little bit faster and so much more efficiently. My daughter loves it. It makes it easier for her to use, and it makes it easier for me to use too. Overall, if you like diamond painting or you know someone who loves diamond painting, this electric diamond painting pen with the vacuum suction is going to be a great thing for you, or a great gift. Overall, if you or someone you know is really into diamond painting and loves doing it, I would highly recommend this.